Hi there, welcome back. Tonight we are riding in Shinjuku. Since the end of World War II, Shinjuku has grown into one of Tokyo's major centers, rivaling the historic city center of Marunouchi. Today, it is a major commercial and administrative hub, and is home to the busiest railroad station in the world, the Shinjuku Station. There, the one next to the green light shop window, Sekaido. It's one of my favorite stores in Tokyo. It's been here since 1940. If you're an artist in Tokyo, this is your cathedral. 5 floors of every pen, brush, and paper texture known to man. On the other hand, actually, literally on the other side of the street, you have the Louis Vuitton store. Did you know that the famous Louis Vuitton monogram may have a connection to Japan? Traditional samurai families use symbols called mon as their family crests. When they designed the iconic pattern, Europe was fascinated in Japanese art, and the repeating floral symbols closely resemble these traditional Japanese emblems. So it might have been the inspiration for the monogram. So Shinjuku has the world's busiest train station, and also houses the headquarters of the Tokyo Metropolitan government. In the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. That building has 2 panoramic observation decks, one in each tower, on the 45th floor, and they are free of charge to the public. In my opinion, that is the best panoramic view of Tokyo. In one place, you can see the Tokyo Tower, the Tokyo Sky Tree, and the Mount Fuji. We are approaching one of the many exits of Shinjuku Station. You can see by the number of people here. This station deals with 3.5 million commuters daily, and it's a vast and intricate network with over 200 exits, mostly underground, like a maze or a dungeon. I got lost the first time I went there, and the second. Wait, coming to think of it, I always got lost every time I went there. Let me go around and back to another street so I can show you Kabukicho. This is the main entrance to Kabukicho. Like the name implies, was supposed to be a kabuki theater, but ended up being Tokyo's Red District. Going there on foot, you can find many things, from the Golden Guy to a giant Godzilla, but we'll leave that for another day. Now I want to show you one of the many ways Shinjuku is connected to Shibuya, but in order to respect your time, I'll speed up things a bit. If you prefer hearing just the motorcycle engine sound and ambient noise, I also published a Zen version of the video without music and commentary. That building is the entity Docomo, Yoyogi building. It looks like the Empire State Building, but with colorful LEDs and the clock. Yes, we can see Shibuya buildings already. Well, that's it for... Wait, looks like we have a Blue Ferrari here racing a Blue LED Street Kart and Luigi is driving. Who do you think will win? Oh, of course the Ferrari. Ah, actually Luigi needs a pit stop. You only see this in Japan. So, what would you like to see next? Leave a comment below. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. See you again in the next ride. Mata ne!